Hey guys, it's Tony. Wanted to come on here and let you guys know that officially Doggy is starting to create that downtrend on the daily MACD. Last time that I made this video, there was this huge spike in volume right here, which surged the price from like 56 cents all the way up to 72 cents. And that's what caused the MAC indicator to actually break to the downside, making Doggy a little bit more bullish. But I'm telling you, this wants to sell off. Doggy wants to sell off, but there's a lot of volume, a lot of hype, a lot of people coming into this, basically just buying blindly at 54 cents. And because I'm out of my position, not out all of all my position, but I can basically, unbiasedly tell you guys exactly what TA says. But as of right now, TA has been super hard to actually predict anything for Doggy because there's so much hype, there's so much media on it that I wouldn't be surprised if Doggy just keeps like going down to these like 54 cent support levels and basically bouncing off to the top side. Like, it's absolutely ridiculous how much hype Doggy has right now. But I'm telling you right now that, if you guys were thinking about selling, I would probably think about that very, very soon, because, for the last couple of days, Doggy's been really wanting to sell off. And because there's a lot of volume that comes in, a lot of people buying, a lot of hype, this shit keeps running, keeps breaking the support to the upside. But as soon as that hype dies down, as soon as volume stops coming in, I'm telling you, this shit's gonna go down. You can easily see Doggy going all the way back down to 25 cents on a good day. But like I said, this thing can definitely keep running. If everything goes well today on SNO with Elon Musk, Doggy can shoot to like a buck, 100%. But I'm telling you, for the last couple of days, these are just red flags that I'm looking at, right? For the last couple of days, the MACD, the reverse, my own creation, has been creating these sell-offs. You guys know that basically what this means is that my MACD doesn't really tell me when to buy, it tells me when to sell your position. So when this little green bubble gets created, it's basically telling me, hey, if you have a long position, sell. Or when these little red bubbles get created, it's basically telling me, hey, when you have a short position, sell that short position. And guess what? Look at that. It just runs. It hits, and it just runs, keeps running. Again, what happened last time? That little green bubble got created. It hits, basically telling you, hey, sell your longs. We dropped, and we kept dropping. I'm telling you that Doggy has been wanting to sell off for the last couple of days, but it just hasn't. And it's just a bunch of red flags for me right now. I wouldn't necessarily not go long on this, because I do think that Doggy can definitely keep running 100% on the hype. But I'm telling you right now, when that hype dies down for Doggy, expect to see a huge downfall. Like, I'd say that 25 cents would be a solid price target if we decide to ever go bearish on the downside, just because there's such massive support around this whole level. But this isn't a bearish video, this isn't a bullish video. This is me just letting you guys know that for the last couple of days, Doggy's been showing a lot of red flags. That's it. And it can't be coincidence that today, is when Elon Musk is like the big day that Elon Musk is going to be SNL talking about Dogecoin. So we really need to see what he does, what happens. And after today, you guys have to react to the market. We can either shoot up directly to a buck, or if people don't like the SNL stuff with Elon Musk, whatever, he says something that people don't like, this thing can definitely drop all the way down. And I'm telling you, if Dogecoin drops, this is going to be the start of altcoin season. I don't think all the altcoins, even though they ran up like crazy, I don't think they run up how they're supposed to. There's definitely more room. Doggy ran like, from what, couple months, it did like a 10-20x. I don't even know how big the run was. It went from 5 cents to 6, so it did a 12x. It did a 12x in about 2 months. You guys can expect similar rally. I would say more like a 6x from similar rallies on other altcoins. But I'm telling you, as soon as Doggy starts to really sell off like crazy, people are going to move that money into other altcoins. I really doubt that they're going to put it into Bitcoin or Ethereum. I think a lot of that money is going to end up going into altcoins. So be ready for that. I think today could be a huge catalyst for altcoin season starting if Dogecoin ends up dropping, because there's a lot of money being pushed into Dogecoin right now. All those billions of dollars you're not gonna lose that money. That's gonna be moved somewhere else. All that money, remember, money is never lost. It's just moved. That's all it is. All this money, if this gets liquidated and we go all the way back down to 25 cents, that's, you know, a little bit more than half the market cap that Doggy currently has, which is what, a little bit like 25-30 billion dollars. That's going to be moved out of here and into somewhere else. I'm telling you, this can definitely cause something. There's a massive sell-off on Doggy. So again, video not bearish, not bullish, just basically showing you guys that for the last couple of days there's been a lot of red flags on Doggy. I'll see you guys later.